Hi, my name is Allison and I'm going to be talking to you about radium. This is my favorite of the 118 elements on the periodic table. Radium is element number 88, and because it is on the second column of elements, that means it is classified as an alkaline earth metal. It has properties associated with this column of elements. Alkaline earth metals are shiny and silvery white. They have two outer shell electrons which they lose when they bond with other elements. And while they are quite reactive because of that, they are not as reactive as the alkaline metals in the first column. Now let's get back to radium. Marie Curie, along with her husband Pierre Curie, discovered radium in December of 1898, and this was the second element that they had discovered that year, following polonium in July. They discovered these elements by separating them out from a mineral known as pitchblende. They used various chemical procedures in order to separate the substance found in pitchblende. One example was dissolving a particular element off of the mineral by pouring acid on it. Afterwards, they would separate the different compounds they had dissolved off. By doing this, they were able to discover the two elements. Radium was found as a part of the compound radium chloride, and because of radium's distinct level of radiation, the Curies were able to establish it as a new element. After radium was discovered, it was used to make items glow in the dark. This was before the full effects of radiation poison were understood. The most well-known cases of radiation poisoning from radium are those of the Radium Girls. During World War I, women were given work at a warehouse in Orange, New Jersey. Their work was to paint on clocks, watches, and similar products. The paint was laced with radium, which made the paint glow in the dark. The women were told that the paint was safe and were even encouraged to lick the end of their paintbrushes in order to get a more fine tip. Virtually no safety precautions were taken, and the women developed radiation poisoning and radium jaw. They ingested countless doses of radiation, and many developed several cancers and other health problems, resulting in their premature deaths. Many sued the company, though very few were ever compensated. From its very discovery, the Curies warned that it was extremely dangerous, though no one exactly understood how dangerous it was. Now, thanks to a greater understanding of radiation, radium is used in very little, and we are better suited to protect ourselves from it. One use from radium today is in medicine. It can be used in very small doses in medical imaging, and radium-223 is sometimes used in treating prostate cancer that is spread to the bones. And that is the lowdown on radium.